To get a physical copy of your CBSE Class 10th or 12th mark sheet, first, search for CBSE. Go with official site. Choose main site. Scroll down. Here, hover cursor over Duplicate Academic Document System, and choose Duplicate Academic Document System. Continue. Now, tap on Printed Document. Select your class of which mark sheet you wanted. Enter your board roll number of that class, year of passing, and candidate name and his father name that is exactly mentioned on DMC, and your phone and email ID. Tap Search. After that record is fetched, you can see all your details. To get courier at your address, choose by post. If you want to pick by yourself from their office, choose by hand. Here, enter your whole address where you want delivery of a physical document. Choose the document of which you want a physical copy. In the document section, upload any one of the asked documents PDF, and tap Upload. Tap Continue to pay. Review entered details, and in payment mode choose Online Payment, tap Pay. Click on Proceed for payment. Complete payment using desired method. Here, you will get an application number, note it down. It will help you to track order status. After placing the order, from the main dashboard, tap on Track Application. Enter that application number. Currently its status is under progress. Check again after a few days. This time you will find it is dispatched and get an India Post tracking number. You can track its status from India Post official site, and it will be delivered like this packaging. Inside it you can find your document. This new DMC has a new serial number, duplicate written on top, and at bottom both old and new dates are mentioned.